going to do this easy stencil today. So I've got a selection of colours and I've got a largish brush, size 9, size 10, and I'm just randomly adding the colour. You don't need to worry about what colours go where at this stage. All you're doing is just putting your paint on, changing the colour as you go and just getting it on your page. Whilst the paint is still wet, I'm just layering on a different colour. This is going straight on top of the wet brown paint, so don't worry about the colours mixing. In fact, you really want that to happen. I've lost a small piece of my video here, so I thought, well, I can't say that it's a stenciling video without actually doing some stenciling. So I've got an old abstract and I've got my stencil and I'm just adding this gold paint very randomly onto that page. And then I've got a white acrylic pen and a black fine liner, and I'm just making some marks onto those gold paint marks. Just circling them, just outlining them, adding some little dots here and there, just for a little bit of interest really. So apologies for that, but we'll go back now to the original video. I've done all the markings on the gold background, the stenciled background, and I've looked at my page and thought there wasn't enough contrast in the colours. So I've gone back to my original watercolour paint and I've grabbed a dagger brush and I'm just adding that colour onto the page, just so that gold stands out. It looks a little bit more interesting, I think, if it's got a bit of a darker background. Just shows up the gold a lot better. So just smudging that in around the shapes I've already got. So you'll need to let your paint dry once you've finished your background, and then you need to grab some pens, any pens that you fancy using. I've got a white Posca pen here and I'm just putting some little lines on that dark background. So you can see why I decided to do the darker background. I don't think the white Posca pen would have showed up as well. The paint hadn't dried as I was expecting. So if that happens to you, just go back, add some layers until you've got it how you like it. So that white pen is really showing up now. So I've grabbed a gold gel pen and I'm just making these lovely little chains, just randomly putting on the page wherever I feel, just letting them drop from the patterns that are already there. This is so fun to do and really easy, so I hope you get to try this. I hope you like it. If you like, maybe you'll consider liking, even subscribing. You get to see the latest video that comes out. If you've got any comments you want to make, that'd be brilliant. Love to hear from you. I'll come straight back to you. Adding a black fine liner now, just in between those white Posca pen marks, just to give it a little bit more detail. So this is really therapeutic, really nice to just let yourself go and just be in the moment. Really let your mind just wander off. I'm just adding some little circles inside the gold chain links. That just makes the gold chain links pop a little bit. Just adding more interest as you go along. When you feel as though you've got enough detail, then grab a gold felt tip pen and just edge your picture, just so it looks nice when you pull that tape away and it looks really effective. So that's a really simple, easy kind of thing to do, this picture. You don't really have to think about it, you just need to enjoy your time. So thanks for being with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye.